Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5. Open your English grammar books. We have started unit number 6 of our English grammar book, sentences. Now open page 22. Today we will do the practice exercise of part 1. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Complete them by supplying a second clause. We have studied about the second clause, that a clause is a group of words which has a subject and verb, and it makes some sense but not complete sense. So let's do. Number 1, molten lava flew down the sides of the hill dash because of volcano eruption. वॉल्केनो इरप्शन मीन आतिशफशां का फटना. मोल्टन लावा, पिघला हुआ लावा, हिल्स की साइड से उड़ा वॉल्केनो इरप्शन की वजह से. नंबर 2, वैन डैश आई कुड सी द शोर्स क्वाइट क्लियरली. वैन आई वॉज अप द हिल आई कुड सी द शोर्स क्वाइट क्लियरली. जब मैं पहाड़ी के ऊपर था तो मैं साले समंदर को क्लियरली देख सका. नंबर 3, ही पुट अवे हिज बुक्स डैश आफ्टर डूइंग हिज वर्क. उसने अपनी बुक्स दूर रख दी आफ्टर डूइंग हिज वर्क, अपना काम करने के बाद. नंबर 4, आई एम क्यूरियस टू नो. क्यूरियस मीन मुतजस्सिस होना, किसी चीज़ के बारे में तजस्सुस रखना. आई एम क्यूरियस टू नो व्हेन विल शी रिटर्न होम. मुझे ये जानने का तजस्सुस है कि वो घर कब आएगी. पार्ट बी. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Complete them by adding a main clause to the each. Main clause is the main part of a clause which has a verb and subject. Number 1, dash because they were making mischief. The teacher punished them. टीचर ने उन्हें सज़ा दी because they were making mischief. Mischief means शरारत, क्योंकि वो शरारत कर रहे थे. Number 2, dash because they didn't like the tax policy. The laborers were on strike. Strike mean हड़ताल. मज़दूर हड़ताल पर थे क्योंकि उन्होंने टैक्स पॉलिसी को पसंद नहीं किया. नंबर 3, I was so dash. I was so sick. I didn't participate in the competition. मैं बहुत बीमार था इसलिए मैंने कंपटीशन में, मुकाबले में हिस्सा नहीं लिया. Right here I was so sick. Number 4, dash whose name was Ned. The boy went to sing. लड़का गाने गया. Whose name was Ned, जिसका नाम नेड था. Let's do part C. The following sentences have either a phrase or a second clause attached to them. Copy them in your notebook. Underline the second clause or phrase and write C or P against them. We have also studied about the phrase. That phrase is a group of words which does not make sense on its own. Number 1, he made a clever engine but dad could follow commands. He made a clever engine is a clause and dad could follow commands is phrase. उसने एक क्लेवर इंजन बनाया जो कि कमांड्स को मीन्स आर्डर को फॉलो कर सके. नंबर 2, अहमद लिफ्टेड द रॉक विदाउट मच एफर्ट. अहमद ने रॉक उठाई बिना ज़्यादा कोशिश के. अहमद लिफ्टेड द रॉक इज़ क्लास इन दिस सेंटेंस एंड विदाउट मच एफर्ट इज़ फ्रेज. Without much effort is phrase because it does not make any sense on its own. And Ahmad lifted the rock is a clause. It has a subject and verb and it makes some sense. Number 3, as he came nearer his target, the pilot released the bombs. As he came nearer his target is phrase. The pilot released the bomb is a clause in the sentence. Number 4, you can make fire by rubbing two flint stones against each other. You can make fire is a clause and by rubbing two flint stones against each other is phrase. आप आग पैदा कर सकते हैं by rubbing रगड़ने से two flint stones. Flint mean rough. दो rough stones को against each other एक दूसरे के साथ रगड़ने से आप आग पैदा कर सकते हैं. Do all this work on your book, not notebook.